Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today we're diving into seasonal mulching. Learn about the best types of mulch to use throughout the year and how they can benefit your soil and vegetables. Let's get started. Mulching is essential for healthy soil, conserving moisture, and reducing weeds. Different mulches are suitable for different seasons. In spring, mulch helps warm the soil, retain moisture, and prevent weeds. Use compost, straw, or leaf mold. In summer, mulch retains moisture and regulates soil temperature. Use grass clippings, wood chips, or shredded bark. Fall mulching prepares your garden for winter. You can use pine needles, hay, or composted manure to protect your plants and enrich the soil. Winter mulch protects plants from freezing and erosion. Opt for straw, evergreen boughs, or leaf mulch to keep your garden healthy even in the cold. To apply mulch correctly, follow these steps. First, preparation: clear weeds and debris from the area. Second, application. Apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch, making sure to keep it away from plant stems. And third, maintenance. Replenish the mulch as needed to maintain its benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!